first time of NDC.
I saw that here. This is nice, but go and get inside.
Chidi Anambra delegates, where are you?
I will, sir. Thank you, sir.
This was second.
The delegate from Anambra State, can you
remain the motivation as we strive to bring water to every
inspiring speech? And with that, the tone. Please make sure that the boxes you are dropping the ballot paper is the one for that office. Ordinarily, make sure you drop them serially. Don't drop them serially. The boxes were arranged in line with the ballot papers. You don't need to search. Therefore, I got alone as line and the Bruno. Got alone as Bruno and Kona. You can see the beautiful nature of the Southeast Congress. Everything is moving according to the plans. All thanks to the Secretariat headed by Nyesom.
Watch what you are putting so that you make mistake.
That is the immediate past Zonal Secretary. He is yet to be elected again. So, former Secretary, well done. See India boy, how many they can move in, they can put in at the same time. Instead of standing on the sun, you can move on. Yes. No need to keep people under the sun. That chairman of our board of trustees, Adolfo Fubara, has been here. Permit me to recognize in a special way the man, secretary of our party, in the person of Right Honorable Udokoye. Udokoye, you're welcome. Distinguished Senator Oko-Jumbo is a quality. Abia State, the deputy governors from the Enugu State. Here, the BoT members, Honorable Justice Dr. Martin Wike, and others, the members of the National Working Committee. I can see
Your Excellency, the leader
of High Chief Ali Odeta to welcome all the delegates. Your Excellency, permit me to inform you that the INEC, the independent...
Your Excellency, the National Secretary of our great party,
Your Excellency, all the documentation and preparations have been registered.
distinguished ladies and gentlemen. Of the back and forth, Your Excellency, the Chairman of the Board of Trust, welcome all of us once again and wish every one of us a very fruitful and happy deliberation. Have faith in this party called PDP. Therefore, glory of God and by the efforts of our leaders, particularly the delegates, it is my single honor and pleasure to welcome you all together and lift this party, because we know if this party gets its acts right, we will lift Nigerians out of the current